How to download Google Voice app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the bottom, type Google Voice and tap the search icon. Look for the official Google Voice app by Google LLC and tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the Get button and then install to start downloading the app to your iPhone. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This will link your account to Google Voice and allow you to start using your number for calls, text, and voicemail. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions to app requests such as access to contacts and notifications so that it functions properly. Now your Google Voice app is ready to use, giving you easy access to calling, texting, and voicemail management directly from your iPhone. Now you know how to download the Google Voice app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.